Okay, let me get right into it. I'm going to do this video on another way to simplify our fractions that we're multiplying together. It's called cross-canceling to simplify. All right, so let me go right to an example on how we cross-cancel, okay, and how it will make your life a little bit easier when you're multiplying fractions. So we see right here, we would be multiplying right across 3 times 4 and 6 times 9. And if we did that, I'm going to put it up here, would be 12 over 54. And now I'd want to find a common factor between them, between your 12 and your 54, which would be, well, see, this is where it gets hard, because if I'm going to start by 2, okay, if I'm going to divide them both by 2, it's going to give me 6 over 27, which is still not in simplest form, because I could divide them both by 3. And if I do 6 divided by 3, it's 2, and 27 divided by 3 is 9. And I would get 2 ninths. Let's see if I can cross cancel to get 2 ninths a little quicker than that. 3 and 9. All right, going diagonal. Is there a common factor between the two? And there is, 3. I could do 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now I'm going to look at my 4 and 6. Is there a common factor between the two? And it is. It's 2. I could do 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. All right? And now, if you multiply across, 1 times 2 is 2, and 3 times 3 is 9. And you get your 2 ninths, which is the same that we had when we did it the other way. So that shows you how cross-canceling will give you the same answer in simplest form. All right? Let's look down here. Okay. 5/10 times 10/20. How do I cross-cancel here? Well, we notice 10 and 10, right? 10 and 10, I could divide them both by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. That cross-cancels. 5 and 20. Well, they both have 5 as their common factor. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now we multiply across and we get 1/4 is in simplest form. Whereas if we would have started with 5 times 10 is 50, and 10 times 20 is 200. And here, 50 over 200. How many times does 50 go into 200? 4 times. So this would be 1/4, because 50 divided by 50 is 1, and 200 divided by 50 is 4. So you will get the same answer if you cross-cancel in the beginning or if you simplify at the end. Remember, you won't always be able to cross-cancel, all right? So let's take a look and see if I do give an example. Well, here I'm giving all the examples where you can cross-cancel. Then I'll throw in one where you can't, okay? Here, 4 and 8. Well, I know we can cross-cancel there. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 and 24. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 24 divided by 12 is 2. We go across. 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. And 2 over 2 is 1. Okay? You did not have to multiply the large numbers, which if you did 4 times 24, that's going to give you 96, and 12 times 8 is 96. But if we do that, there's a greater chance of making an error and not getting the answer of 1. Okay? Just like down here. Back to 12 times 6. If you have that memorized, if you know that 12 times 6 is 72, all right. Now 18 times 9, I have to show my work for that. 18 times 9. 9 times 8, 72. 1 times 9 is 9. and 7 is 62. So one. Now, I'm stuck here, really, and I'm going to have to simplify that again, right? But look at how large those numbers are. Or I could just go over here, 6 and 18. Well, I know 6 goes into 18. 6 divided by 6 is 1. 18 divided by 6 is 3. And now I have 9 and 12. Well, 3 is a common factor. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Multiply across. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 3 is 9. And you have 4/9. So cross-canceling will make your multiplication a lot easier, okay? You'll have to know your factors, okay, and do a little of your basic division, but it will make it easier for you. Now let me go here. One where I'm just going to try, let's say we had 6/7 times, let's just say it was, no, let's go 5/3, right? Okay. So I'm going to go here. 6 times 5 and 7 times 3. Well, 6 times 5 is 30, and 7 times 3 is 21. Now I'm going 21 and 30 is one time, with 9 left over 21. But I still know that 9 over 21 can be simplified. Divide them both by 3. That gives me 3/7, 1 and 3/7, right? Let's now simplify. Let's cross cancel. If I cross cancel 7 and 5, 7 and 5, there is no common factor between 7 and 5, so I can't cross cancel anything there. But 6 and 3, I can cross cancel 6 and 3 because I know that 3 is a common factor. So I could do 3 divided by 3 is 1, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Now you multiply straight across. 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 1 is 7. Now you can do 7 into 10 is one time, 3 left over, and your denominator is 7. 1 and 3/7, and that matches up. All right? So that example had only one set that could cross cancel, not both. And you won't be able to cross cancel at all sometimes, but it's just a strategy that will help. So hope that video helped. And let's make sure it might still be recording. Let's see.